AfterX, it's a smart assistant like any professional tool. It's not a tool that builds your entire project for you. But what makes it different is that it's the first tool in the world inside Adobe After Effects that uses your microphone directly. It listens to your voice commands, sends them to AI through a structured set of rules and instructions, and brings back the best possible generated result. Scriptable results, and executing tasks directly inside Adobe After Effects, which are difficult to do it manually or would take you a lot of time. So, how it works? Simply, AfterX converts your commands into a real extent script code using an evil script bridge and run it instantly inside Adobe After Effects, all without interrupting your work or pausing your creative flow. So here are 10 real examples AfterX can handle for you. For example, we can say, hey After Effects, create 5 quote text layers from Steve Jobs, with each quote displayed for 5 seconds, and Steve Jobs shown in a small text under each quote. Then apply sequence shifting so they appear one after another automatically. Or keep the anchor point centered on any text layer using expression, so even if you change the font size, the anchor point remain perfectly centered. This is an example. This is something many designers struggle to do it manually, but AfterX can generate it instantly. Another one, let's create 10 compositions, each with a 10-second duration, and inside each comp automatically add a gradient ramp effects, background. Nice. Now let's say create a JSX script with full UI panel to distribute selected layers evenly in a grid layout, rows and columns with custom spacing. Loop this animation keyframes with the precise timing and ease functions. Create a full circuit hard corners made of path stroke shape layer, then animate the trim path end from 0 to 100 over 3 seconds. We can open the context and enable the project manifest. This will make AI see what's inside our project. It's an AI vision to make it aware of our project. Translate and rename all the layers to Arabic names. So you literally can generate anything that is scriptable inside Adobe After Effects. You don't have to do it manually or write any code. And in addition of that, you can use the context to enable the get expression feature. This will automatically fix every expression that have a problem or any error in just one click. For this example, we have an error here and missing layers and sliders. In one click, it solved everything. So AfterX isn't just another plugin. It's your intelligent creative partner inside After Effects. AfterX, your voice, your partner inside Adobe After Effects.